Hey there, fashion lovers. Today I'm about to show you a dress that's been making waves everywhere. Not just on Instagram and Pinterest, but it's one of the most searched and trending styles on Google and blowing up on YouTube too. Now, imagine walking into a party or a cozy cafe and suddenly every eye in the room turns to you. Not because you're wearing something overly flashy, no, but because your outfit is the perfect mix of elegance, artistic charm, and that fairy tale princess-like vibe. This deep V-neck red dress with tribal-inspired motifs is the kind of piece that instantly makes any woman look unique, confident, and absolutely magnetic. Want to know why this design has become one of the hottest fashion trends everyone's searching for right now? Stay with me till the end of this video because I'm about to reveal all the secrets behind this look. Did you know this dress is known in the fashion world as an A-line dress, or sometimes called a tent dress? One of the reasons it's become such a hot trend is that deep V-neckline because it magically makes the upper body look longer, slimmer, and so much more elegant. But here's the fun part. This dress doesn't come in just one style. You can wear it in 3 different versions. Mini length, above the knee, perfect for a casual, everyday look. Midi length, right around mid-calf, giving you that perfect balance of chic and comfort. And of course, the maxi length, flowing all the way to the ankles, the one that makes you feel like a true princess. So the question is, which version feels more you? Stick around, because next I'll show you why this design is quickly becoming one of the most searched, most loved fashion trends among bloggers and top designers worldwide. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. If you enjoy this kind of fashion style, leave me a comment and don't forget to hit that like button. This way I get to know your taste better and I can create my next tutorials exactly based on what you love. 10 sprinkles. One of the things that makes this dress so unique and different is the tribal-inspired animal patterns in soft cream tones. Wow! It's that detail that gives the outfit an artistic, free, and truly one-of-a-kind vibe. And here's where it gets even more exciting. Because if you can't quite picture what this design would look like in other colors or fabrics that could make it even more stunning and eye-catching, don't worry. Just stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly which choices can turn this dress into a true masterpiece. Now, let's get to one of the most important parts of this dress, the fabric choice. Because trust me, the fabric you choose can make your outfit look completely ordinary, or make you shine like a star. So, what are the best options for this airy, summer-ready style? First, linen, lightweight, breathable, and cool. Exactly what you need in the heat. Then, cotton, perfect for those super hot days, giving you unbeatable comfort. And when you want something more special, for parties or evening events, that's when light natural silk comes in with its unique glow and elegance. Here's the interesting part. These fabrics usually come with a plain, fine weave. Their weight is light to medium, about 120 to 180 grams per square meter, which means the dress feels fresh and breezy against your skin, never heavy or uncomfortable. But here's the real question. Which of these fabrics looks best in a midi or maxi version of this dress? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal that next. All right, now let's get to the question everyone keeps asking. Which styles do these fabrics look best on? Okay? If you're going for a fun, energetic look for everyday wear, lightweight fabrics like cotton or linen in the mini version are absolutely perfect. They're cool, comfortable, and give you that fresh, lively vibe. But for a more balanced, semi-formal style, choosing light to medium weight fabrics in a midi length works beautifully. Linen, especially with its fine weave, looks chic and elegant at this length. And now for the most exciting part, when these same fabrics, like lightweight, natural silk or soft linen are used for the maxi version, your style transforms into something completely princess-like. Dress that will turn heads at parties, afternoon gatherings, or even a sunset stroll in the summer. So the answer is simple. Every length tells a story, and every fabric tells that story in a different way. Want to know which length and fabric work best for your body shape? Then stay with me till the end. Now comes the exciting question. Do you want to know which length and fabric of this dress works best for your body shape? This is where the real magic of the A-line design shows up. Because the A-line is free and flowy, it actually suits almost every body type. For an hourglass shape, it highlights and enhances the upper body beautifully. For a pear shape, the wide lower part creates perfect balance. If you're rectangular, this cut gives you extra shape and dimension. For an inverted triangle, the flow at the bottom balances out broader shoulders. And for an apple shape, the relaxed fit gently covers the tummy and sides with elegance. The best part? It works for sizes all the way from XS to 3XL. Because it's not body-fitted, the free-flowing cut makes it look flattering on every size. So no matter your shape, this dress can always bring out your most confident and radiant self. Okay, want to know where this outfit really shines? Which occasions and settings it's perfect for? Let's dive into that next. When is this dress most suitable to wear? This is exactly where the design truly shines. For a casual summer everyday style, just pair it with sandals or sneakers. Comfy, breezy, yet still chic. For friendly gatherings, mix it with a few minimal accessories and watch how all eyes turn to you. It's also perfect for travel and outdoor adventures, since it's designed to be light and easy to wear. And if you want to look a little more luxurious, pair it with gold accessories or a small handbag, and it becomes absolutely stunning for afternoon teas or even a chic art gallery visit. So you see, this dress isn't just a simple choice. It's a versatile piece that makes you look unique and stylish in every situation. By the way, would you like to see those exclusive step-by-step tutorials you've been asking for? Don't forget to hit the super thanks or click the join button, because there I've shared extra special videos that are only for members, so don't miss out. And here's something really important. I've also prepared exclusive lessons on the basic pattern and precise measurements, but those are only available in the members section. That's exactly where you'll unlock all the secrets of sewing and design, the kind of tips that make your work truly stand out. So, if you're ready to take things to the next level, I'll be waiting for you inside. Feel free to leave any suggestions or feedback for me in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. It really helps me create better and more useful tutorials for you. Oh, and let me know where you're watching this video from. But why has this flexibility made this dress such a big trend on Google and YouTube? The answer is simple. Because anyone, no matter their body type, lifestyle, or personal taste, can find a version of this dress that feels just right for them. Some are looking for comfort and breeziness in the summer, while others want to look chic and princess-like at a party. And this dress works perfectly for both. That's why searches keep climbing day after day, and why in fashion videos it's become one of the most talked about trends. And if you look closer, you'll see the secret is in the details. Its sleeveless cut, giving that effortless lightness and freedom, and its artistic flowy style, made for anyone who wants comfort, but also craves something unique and different. So it's no surprise that everyone's talking about it and curious about how this design can take their style to the next level. Let me share a big secret from the world of fashion and sewing. Most of the time, we think the only thing that matters is the cut or the design of a dress. But the truth is, the colors and fabric patterns are what can completely make or break your style. And here's why. Because every body type has its own story, and the right choices can make your figure look slimmer, fuller, or even taller. For example, if you have a fuller body shape, large prints, like big florals or oversized checks, can actually make you look bigger. But smaller patterns and darker colors do the opposite. They make your figure look more delicate and balanced. Now, if you're on the slimmer side, the rules flip. You can totally go for bold, oversized prints and bright, cheerful colors to add volume, energy, and liveliness to your frame. So remember this, every body is a story, and colors and patterns are the language that tell that story. From now on, you'll never make the wrong choice when picking fabric again. All right, here's a tough question for you. Would you rather wear this dress with small patterns and darker colors? Or with bold, oversized prints and bright shades? Which one feels more like you? By the way, if you notice my colored paper here is in 2 pieces, don't be surprised. It's only because I ran out of paper and had to use 2 separate sheets. But you can always use a wide single sheet of paper so your work looks cleaner, more professional, and you won't run into any issues halfway through. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts, fabric yardage. A lot of times we're not really sure how much fabric we actually need, and that's exactly where most people get stuck. But don't worry, I'm going to make it super clear for you right now. 10. For the midi length, you'll need about 2 meters of fabric. Pin. For the midi length, usually around 2.20 to 2.70 meters. And for the maxi length, you should plan for about 3.20 to 3.50 meters. But here's the really important part. These numbers are just averages. If your size is larger, let's say from L up to 3XL, you'll want to add at least half a meter, sometimes even a full meter more. On the other hand, for smaller sizes like XS or S, you can naturally go with less fabric. So always remember, before buying, decide on the length you want and consider your size. That way, you'll never get caught off guard in the middle of your project. Bye. This tutorial was made based on your comments. I hope it helped and you enjoyed it. Now it's your turn. Leave a comment and tell me what you'd love to learn next. Let's see which request wins and shows up in the next video. Here you you actually have two options. You can either finish the neckline and armholes with bias strips cut from the same fabric, or, just like I did, sew them with a professional facing. And don't worry if the facing looks narrower than the garment itself. In this design, there are no darts on the main dress, but there is a small dart on the front facing that gets stitched, while the back dart is completely removed from the pattern. Because the fabric has a soft drape, it naturally flows with your body shape. And of course, if you prefer, you can always add a belt to gather the waist and create a more defined silhouette. This dress doesn't stop here. I've created the same design in different colors and unique patterns for all sizes. Make sure to watch, because I'm sure you'll find ideas that perfectly match your style and body shape. And don't forget to check out the playlists. I've added so many more models and tutorials there, where you can pick up new tips and even learn how to sew beautiful dresses for yourself. And don't miss the rest of the video,